bitch. It's gonna come back us, y'all. Karma is a bitch. It's gonna hit back on y'all hard. That's all I gotta say. I don't care. I really don't care. It's really sad. Really sad. I'll check out my chicken wings. Oh, man. It's really crazy how people just, I ain't got nothing to do with that. You know what I'm saying? Do what I want to do. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? People, it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just listen to she say, he say. You know what I'm saying? Y'all crazy. Oh my God, she's killed an animal. Do you see me kill an animal? No. You ain't got no proof to see me kill an animal. That's why I'm saying, go back to fucking yo-yo, you know what I'm saying? Cause that bitch ain't no good anyway. The bitch can't even show her face, you know what I'm saying? She in the fucking dark. I know why she in the dark, cause she's fucking ugly. That's why she in the dark. Cause she's ugly. She's really ugly. Show your face. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gotta show nobody shit. I ain't gotta show nobody shit. If you want me shit, if you don't see the dog, cash at me. PayPal me. Call the animal troll. Yep, I sure did. Cause she fucking with me every time I upload this. She always, what she do? She got my name in her fucking mouth. Like, no, I don't care. Do what you gotta do, yo. Cause I'm not scared of you. I don't care. Shit, come on, you got the nerve to call people. Hell, people call me ugly. So what? Anybody ain't gonna do nothing to me. And I ain't gotta show y'all shit. Now, I ain't gotta show y'all the damn dog. Kiss my ass. I ain't gotta show y'all shit. Y'all ain't nobody. Come on, I know how to take care of myself. Obviously, I got my own fucking house. I don't care for. Obviously, I take care of myself. Obviously, I pay my bill. Obviously, I go to the store for myself. Obviously, I can cook my own damn food. Obviously, I can take a shit and wipe my own ass and take a shower. If I didn't know how to take care of myself, I had somebody else help me. Don't y'all get it? Come on, she can't barely take myself. Oh my God. You're mad, you're mad, you're mad, you're mad, you're mad. But you know what? I really don't care about nobody. I'm not worried about y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all worried about what I do. Y'all just worried about what I do or who's in my house. Just like Yo-Yo Law said, Raymond's my cousin. Y'all believe her. And it's sad. Y'all believe that. I don't care. Do what you gotta do. I don't care. Post it. Do what you wanna do. Post it. Do me a favor. Post it. I don't care no more. I don't. I don't. I don't give a fuck no more. I really don't fucking give a fuck about nobody. I don't even give a fuck about myself. I can't even post that.